Hi friends. Today we are going to talk about some built-in modules which are available as part of Python. Okay, apart from that, mainly we'll be focusing on math-related module and date and time module. Normally we'll be keeping on using most of the time. Okay, these are very important if you're using some sort of date functions or the math functions or such. Then we normally use this built-in modules. Okay. So the first one comes here is date time. Okay. So the importance of date time, if you want to know the current date time of, if you want to know the correct date time, current date time is like 3rd May 2021. Now it's 9:43 IST. So you see here, normally we have the date time which we get including the microseconds also. Okay. So if you want to know just an year, or if you want to know just the time from the date time format, initially what we do in this is date time is nothing but an imported existing module, built-in module, which is available as part of Python. From that built-in module, we have date time and function which is having now, the now function. So when you try to print this x dot year, you'll be getting the year 2021 from here. Okay. And if you want to know what day it is, okay, percentile A will give you which day of the week is. Okay, it is going to tell you which day of the week is. Now, if you are getting some input, okay, if you are getting some input in terms of year, month, and date, okay, date, month, and year, if you want to convert into a specific format, so suppose I have something called year 2020, 5th month and 17th date. If you want to convert into a specific format, here is how you mention date time dot time and mention the input in this format. Normally what is happening, 2020 is the year, 5th is the month, and 17th is the date. And since we haven't specified any sort of time over here, it normally mentions 000000 hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay. So this is date time. And we normally have some sort of pre-built functions in the sense min, max functions, absolute function, which are already available as part of math module. Okay. So suppose I have list of values over here, 5, 10, 15. Okay, whatever we have spoken till now was date time built-in module. But now we will be talking something with respect to finding the minimum value of the list of values, or finding the maximum values from the list of values. So I have a function called min. When you give input of set of values, it gives you the minimum value from those list of values. I have a function called max. Max will provide you the maximum from the list of values that is available. So when I am trying to print, out of this 5 is the min value, out of this 25 is the maximum value. That's the reason it gave you min and max value. Okay. Suppose I have something called absolute function. If I send any input to this absolute function, you will get the absolute value. If it is negative, it will give you positive. If it is positive, it will retain the same. Absolute value is nothing but negative or positive will be shown as a positive value. Okay, that is nothing but math function. One of the math function, min, max, and absolute are the math functions. Math being an internal module, okay, math being an internal module, what I'm going to do in the sense pre-built module, so I'm going to import math. Math has some specific functions like square root. If you want to find out a square root of a number, here I have provided the input as 64. What is the square root of 64? Will be 8. So when I execute print of x, you'll be getting 8.0. Okay. And ceil and floor of a number. What is ceil? Ceil in the sense the upper value. Floor in the sense the lower value. So if you are going with math.ceil, ceil will return you the upper value of 1.4, and math.floor math.floor will return you the lower value of 1. And that means it is trying to show you the whole number. That means which is nothing but if it is 1.4, it will be 2. If it is floor, if you are using floor function, 1.4 will become 1 without any decimals. So try executing this. You see the values are 2 and 1. Okay. So there are many built-in modules apart from date time and math modules. We have many sort of modules that are available, but just to show you how the predefined modules, built-in modules are normally working, in order to show you how the built-in modules work, I just showed you some samples by importing the modules and by showing the functions of those modules. Previously in the last video, we have seen how to create a module and how to use them in another Python file. But here these are already built-in modules, and we normally use functions from those modules, from math module and the datetime module. In the next video, we will look into other topic. Okay, thank you.